Remember when Fable 5 was supposed to be the frontier model that changed everything? We were told it was so powerful that it had to be briefly pulled out for national security concerns. Well, months later, the industry seems to have collectively decided thanks, but no thanks. It is becoming a cautionary tale for every AI lab out there. Sometimes being the smartest isn't enough to get people to use your product. Getting to the story in just a moment, but first, a reminder. At Cypher 2026, we are bringing together extraordinary minds across all domains, featuring Indian chess grandmaster Arjun Erigaisi, creative media producer Lakshmi R. Iyer, and climate tech innovator Sumit Thakur. Whether it's mastering decision-making under pressure or it is scaling sustainable AI solutions, this is a stage you don't want to miss. So we'll see you at KTPO Bengaluru. Now here's the news. The numbers that are coming out of corporate spending are honestly surprising. Despite the massive hype, Fable 5 is struggling to gain traction. According to recent data from RAMP, the model accounts for just 11.4% of businesses spending on Anthropic models. And that number is quite frankly stagnant. It's not growing. So we are able to see a dilemma here. Enterprises aren't ditching Anthropic. They are clearly choosing other more reliable models within the company's ecosystem like Opus 5 over Fable 5. It seems like businesses themselves are voting with their wallets for now, and Fable 5 is being left on the shelf. Now, you might ask why the hesitation despite the massive hype. It comes down to two big factors here: economics and trust. First, the pricing. At $50 per million output tokens, it is a tough sell when competitors offer better cost-to-performance ratios. Second, the data retention policy. Enterprises prioritize security above all else, and Fable 5's 30-day data retention policy is being seen by many as a deal breaker. It turns out that when you are building mission-critical apps, you don't want surplus intelligence. You want a stable, a secure, and a cost-effective engine. Fable 5 is built for deep discovery, but most businesses just need a reliable workhorse. Now, this of course is a wake-up call for the AI industry in general. We are seeing a fundamental shift in the AI gold rush. The honeymoon phase of just wanting the most powerful model is ending, and we are essentially entering the era of utility-driven AI. Developers are prioritizing performance per dollar and data sovereignty over raw reasoning power. If a model is too expensive or poses a compliance headache, companies simply will not use it, no matter how high it scores on a benchmark test. Ladies and gentlemen, here of course is the front page take on this story. Is Fable 5 a failure, or is it just a model ahead of its time? I'd say it's a lesson in market maturity. The hype train has officially left the station, and we are now on the ground with businesses trying to build real scalable things. If Anthropic wants to win here, they'll need to prove that they can offer intelligence that actually pays for itself. What do you think? Is frontier intelligence overrated, or is the market just too risky, or rather risk-averse right now? This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by AN Network. Like, share, and subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.